A vessel contains 2.5 liters of water and 10 liters of milk. 20% of the contents of the vessel are removed. Now look at this. Now here the entire mixture is getting removed. पहले क्या था, water या milk separately कुछ ना कुछ add हो रहा था या निकल रहा था, but here the mixture is getting removed. So understand one thing, when somebody is removing the entire mixture, the original ratio remains intact because रेशियो उतना ही रहने वाला है, बिकॉज आप पूरा मिक्सचर निकाल रहे हो. 8-10 लीटर में से 2 लीटर निकाल लिया, जो 8 बचा है, तो उसमें उतना ही रेशियो होगा मिल्क एंड वाटर का जितना 10 लीटर में था, राइट? सो दैट कॉन्सेप्ट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो अ वेसल कंटेन्स 2.5 liters of water and 10 liters of milk. 20% of the contents of the vessel are removed. To the remaining contents, X liters of water is added to reverse the ratio of water and milk. Then Y liters of milk is added to reverse the ratio of water and milk. You have to find Y. So let us say it contains milk and water. So this is 2.5 liters and this is 10 liters. Milk is 10 liters initially, water is 12.5 liters. Now 10 is to 2.5, which means 4 is to 1 का ratio है. Clear? Now what I am doing, I am removing 20% of the content. But still the ratio will remain 4 is to 1 only. So earlier the mixture total quantity was 12.5 liters. I removed 20%. So 20% corresponds to 1 by 5. So originally 5 की value थी 12.5. I removed 1. तो 1 की value कितनी होगी? 12.5 upon 5. So 2.5 मैंने remove कर दिया, which means the content which is left here is 10 liters, right? So 5 की value 10 liters है, मतलब ये 4 लीटर हुआ होगा और ये 1 लीटर हुआ होगा, बराबर है? But right now we will not do that because this ratios might change depending upon what is added or what is removed. So let us keep it at 4 into 1. And now when I know this entire quantity is 10 liters, in terms of ratio will arrive looking at the remaining scenarios. Now to the remaining content, X liters of water is added. So now I am adding X liters of water here. And my ratio is getting reversed. So मतलब ये 1 is to 4 हो गया. 4 is to 1 का 1 is to 4 हो गया. Then Y liters of milk is added. Now I am adding Y liters of milk here. Now again this becomes 4 is to 1. This is what the scenario is. आपको Y की वैल्यू निकालनी है. तो tell me one thing. Here the milk is same because X liters of water is added, which means I should make this same. So I will make it as this ratio I'll multiply by 4. Then this milk will become same. So this now will become how much? 4 is to 16, right? In this scenario, what is same? In this scenario, water is same, but here water is 16, here water is 1. So I'll multiply this by 16. So this will become 64 is to 16, right? Now, if you look at this, and this remains 4 is to 1 only, right? So now here I am adding X and here I am adding Y. This is my scenario. Now this thing is 10 liters, which means this should be 4 liters. 5 corresponds to 10 liters. Which means 1 should correspond to 2 liters. Yes or no? So if this is, so what would be this? This would be 4 liters and this would be 16 liters. This would be 64 liters because 1 की value 1 liter है. 2 लीटर्स है, सॉरी 128 लीटर्स है, एक की वैल्यू दिस इज 32 लीटर्स एंड दिस 4 इज 8 लीटर्स, दिस 64 इज 128 लीटर्स। सो 8 लीटर्स से 128 लीटर्स हो गया, तो y की वैल्यू कितनी हुई? 128 minus 8, 120 should be the answer. Clear? All we are doing in such type of sums are we are just making the ones which are not being touched, that scenario we are making, those quantities we are making same, and because we are making those quantities same we have to multiply that ratio। उसकी वजह से दूसरे पे भी वो इफेक्ट बन जाता है। रेशियो ओरिजिनल रेशियो ही रहता है, लेकिन रेशियो का लिखने का तरीका थोड़ा अलग हो जाता है। एंड वंस यू मेक एवरीथिंग सेम, जो चेंज नहीं हुआ है, देन वी कैन एक्चुअली कैलकुलेट कि कहीं ना कहीं अपने को कोई ना कोई क्वांटिटी दी होगी जिससे अपन रेशियो को रिलेट कर पाएंगे और एक रेशियो का वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे और जो भी पूछा है अपन उसका आंसर निकाल लेंगे। फाइन। So this is a kind of a sum which is the same sum as we did the previous one. It is just that the answer that they are asking is y minus 4x. So we have to just make the quantities same, and this I will give you as a homework. Next. There is a 100-liter solution of milk and water. When we add 110 liters of milk and 130 liters of water in the solution, then ratio becomes 3:3. Find the ratio of milk and water in the initial solution. So see, initially अपने को यहाँ क्या दिया हुआ है? There is milk and there is water, but I don't know the ratio here. What I know is total quantity is 100 liters, right? Now what's happening is we are adding 110 liters of milk to it and 130 liters of water to it, and finally then the ratio is becoming 3:3, correct? Or I can write this as 1:1, एक ही बात है। अच्छा, ये टोटल कितना हो गया इसका? 2 क्वांटिटी हो गया फाइनल में, बट फाइनल में एक्चुअल टोटल क्वांटिटी कितना हुआ? ऐड कितना किया? 240, और पहले कितना था? 100, तो टोटल मिला के 340 हो गया। तो जो 2 का रेशियो है वो 340 करस्पॉन्ड करता है, तो 1 का रेशियो कितना होगा? 170, राइट? तो 1 का रेशियो अगर 170 है तो यहां पर भी 170 लीटर्स होगा और यहां पर भी 170 लीटर्स होगा। सो ये 170 लीटर्स कैसे बना? 110 लीटर ऐड करने के बाद में, तो मतलब इनिशियली वो 60 लीटर्स हुआ होगा। और ये 170 लीटर्स कैसे बना? इनिशियल वाले में 130 लीटर ऐड करने के बाद में, तो ये 40 हुआ होगा। तो इसका रेशियो 60/40 हो जाएगा, मिल्क एंड वाटर का इनिशियल रेशियो, जो 3:2 हो जाएगा। तो आंसर शुड बी 3:2। टू 240, 340, 170, तो दिस इज 170, दिस इज 170, 170, यहाँ 60, करेक्ट। सो यहाँ पर ऑप्शन 3:2 का ही होना चाहिए था, तो 3:2 is the answer. So what we did was, we didn't know the initial quantities, we know the added quantity. The added quantity 200 liters was 240 liters. Ratio became 1:1. So 340 corresponds to 2, 1 corresponds to 170. So ये भी 170 लीटर हुआ, ये भी 170 लीटर हुआ, बिकॉज टोटल 340 था, दोनों का रेशियो सेम है, तो इसका भी 7 आधा होना चाहिए, उसका भी आधा होना चाहिए। इसमें 110 ऐड करने के बाद में 170 बना था, तो यहाँ 60 हुआ होगा। इसमें 130 ऐड करने के बाद में 170 बना था, यहाँ 40 हुआ होगा। देन 60 liters, 40 liters, ratio 6:4, that is 3:2. Fine. Hello students, I hope you like this video of mixture and alligation. If you have any queries or any sums, because the sums tend to be very long, please connect to me on my YouTube channel or WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number and keep me motivated, and please do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.